Today I embark on a thrilling quest amidst the breathtaking wonders of the Grampians National Park. As I traverse the rugged landscapes and navigate through lush forests, my mission is clear: to seek out and capture the magnificence of as many waterfalls as humanly possible in a single day. With camera in hand, I will lead you through a journey filled with cascading torrents, serene pools, and awe-inspiring natural beauty, all nestled in the heart of Victoria, Australia, the Grampians National Park. From the powerful Mackenzie Falls to the gentle beauty of Silverband Falls, each waterfall has a unique story waiting to be discovered. Welcome to another day in the Grampians. Today, the mission is to find as many waterfalls as I can, starting with Silverband Falls. Not too long a walk from the car park. I'm going to need an easier day than yesterday. The knees are a little bit sore and tender, but we'll push through. Welcome to Silverband Falls in the Grampians. Started to rain, but perfect weather for waterfalls. On the way to Mackenzie Falls. Weather's turned bad a little bit. Rain, wind, but I suppose perfect waterfall weather. Let's check out Mackenzie Falls. I suppose that's where I'm heading. Beautiful day. Up with the clouds. The spectacular Mackenzie Falls is an iconic year-round fixture within the Grampians National Park. Water cascades dramatically over the huge cliffs, plunging into a deep pool before continuing down along the Mackenzie River towards nearby Fish Falls, my next destination. Now, visibility of the falls is not the best. Was it worth the half an hour trek down here? I'm not too sure. I'll move around and try to find some better vantage points. Not looking forward to the trip back up. So yeah, I'll have a bit of a rest, have a bite, and then make my way back up. Okay, time to make the trek back up the stairs. Dreading it, but has to be done. I'm going to count the steps up to see if that distracts me. Let's see how that works. See you up there. Well, it was 263 steps, but not done yet. Steep incline to go. Oh well, almost there. Okay, this is Broken Falls. It's very close to Mackenzie Falls. A much easier walk, no incline, but you can only see it from the lookout. It's the only vantage point you've got of it. You can't go down to the bottom and see it from there. Back in the car, and time for another change of clothes. Handy tip for you, bring lots of change of clothes regardless of the weather. You're going to need them at the end of your walks, just to feel refreshed again. If you're anything like me, sweaty, carrying backpacks, maybe even jackets, and I get quite sweaty, so another change of clothes for me. Okay, much better. Off to the next one. Heading for Beehive Falls, 1.4 kilometre walk. It's just under a mile. Looks like it's a fairly steep incline up there. We'll see how we go. Up for the challenge. Now this is Beehive Falls. It's the furthest out of Halls Gap, but definitely worth a trip. Another stunning waterfall. The day's getting on a bit now, but off to another waterfall. This one's Clematis Falls. It's 1.2 kilometres from the car park, 15-minute walk apparently, so shouldn't be too bad so far. Nice and level, but I think I'm just about to hit some inclines. So let's see how this one goes. This one's going to be the last one for today. It's the one that's also closest to Halls Gap, so after this, back to the cabin, nice hot shower and change of clothes. Alright, I can hear the waterfalls from here, so not too long to go, about 100 metres. So let's have a look. Path's a bit precarious here. Don't want to take the wrong turn. Can just see it through there. And more runoff down at the bottom. All right, let's get down there.
That's better.
As you can see, all waterfalls are centrally located in the national park and are easy to see within one day. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next adventure.